Assalamualaikum to Dr. Izihar. Today our group will present our project titled Social Distancing Sensor for circuit simulation using assembly language.
Okay, so for today I will present the assignment that our group is working. So our project is about the social distance, which is the application will detect when the distance among the people is less than 1 meter. So it will give an alert of LED and buzzer. Okay, so this is our coding for the assembly language. So we used to declare the pin of the microprocessor. So we pin select 0, pin select 1, and pin select 3 within the tables. And then FIO DIR, FIO1 DIR, and then for the analog to digital output for the sensor to detect. So we use beacon P, ADOCR, PCLK select 0, and ADOGDR. And then we set for FIO set and FIO clear to clear the data. Okay, so now we will debug the code. Okay, so you can see the code that have been run. So we will check the code line by line. Okay, so we just push the button at the left side to see. So it will load. So it will load the R node. As you can see, R node, which is it load at the pin select 1, and then it moves to R1 to see the pin that we use and the value. And next we will store the R node into the R1. Next, we will load the pin select 3 as R node, and then to use we use the LED 1, 2, 3, and 4 using the in the board of the pin select. Okay, this is a pin select 3. Okay, so next we will store the R node into R1 into R node. Okay, so next we set the pin 15 as the output for the buzzer, and then store R1 into R node, and then use the FIR OCDIR, load the FIO DIR into the R node. Okay. And then we will load the PCONP into R node, and load R node, R1 into R node, and then we will see the bit. We want to make sure the bit of 12 become 1. store. Okay, so this is the part for the sensor to functions. So this is for the AD0CR, and then we store, and next we load the pin CLK and select 0 into R0 and load R0 into R1, and to make sure that 20 bit of 24 and 25 is 1, so we use the load of or or operations. So this will make the bit become 1. Okay, next is AD0CR to load the AD0CR into R0, and then load the R0 into R1. Okay, so this for the bit 0 to bit 7 to become 0, and this to make sure that bit 3 is equal to 1, so we use the OR. Okay, so this is R1 is compared to R3, and then store R0 into R1. Okay, so we start the equation to know whether the distance is less than 1 meter or more than 1 meter. Okay, so let me make sure that 24 to be 28 are 0, so we use the n, and for the bit 24 to equal to the 1, so we use the O versions. So this is a GDR. Also, as you can see, this is the testing for the distance, which is when it less than 1 meter, it will load, it will compare to 0 times 0.000029, which is we convert using the calculations and the step size. Okay, so this so when it have been done, so it will in loop, and after that it will clear, and the switch and buzzer will switch off, so it will be looping again. Okay.
That's all from us. Thank you.